we're going to be taking unprecedented numbers of people to space. If you can get on a commercial airplane, you can get on Spaceship Neptune. That actually opens up the market enormously to people who otherwise don't feel comfortable going on a rocket or just simply can't go on a rocket, but still want that extraordinary experience of seeing our Earth from space. We are about to enter a rigorous set of test flights. And so you see so many stations here because it's engineers that are sitting in a lot of these because they're monitoring their own systems during the flights. We launch from a ship and we splash in the ocean. So imagine this, you get up early in the morning, maybe you've slept overnight on the ship, you get up, it's dark out, you step into this beautifully appointed, very comfortable capsule, you're handed your beverage of choice as you sit down and strap yourself in for about the first 15 minutes of flight. So when the spaceship is released from the deck, there's a 600-foot tall balloon standing up above you. The entire vehicle very gently lifts off the deck. It's going to space at 12 miles an hour. This is literally the opposite of rocket flight. It's very slow. So it takes you 2 hours to get up there, but that's also part of the beauty of this, is that you can take it all in and you're not having to withstand all that, which some people love, but not everybody. So it takes you a couple of hours to get up there, then you'll start to see the sunrise over the horizon, the curved horizon of our planet. And then you'll see the thin blue line of our atmosphere against that stark blackness of space and the sun in the black sky. I mean, it's just going to be mind-blowing for people. And if you've talked to astronauts, as I'm sure you have, about what's often called the overview effect, it's transformational for a lot of people. So we're giving people a lot of time to be up there, a couple of hours, so they can really absorb this experience, celebrate with a drink from our bar, whatever beverage you would like to have. Of course, there will also be food along the way, and we have a loo and Wi-Fi, so you can be telling everybody back home what's going on during your flight. And then there'll be a 2-hour journey back down, splash down in the ocean. Super safe way to do this. So you go up under the balloon and down under the balloon. No transfer to another kind of flight vehicle, which makes it a seamless experience and super safe. The vehicle, another ship is right there, picks the capsule up out of the water, puts it on the deck. Everybody disembarks within about 15 minutes of splash. We're planning to have crewed flights this year. The current plan is that we do roughly 10 flights uncrewed, and then we have a series of flights that are crewed, and then we get into commercial operations around the end of 24, early 25.
Have you ever imagined spending your vacation floating in a hotel in space? Space tourism is already a reality, but the true luxury experiences are yet to come. Get ready to discover the future of travel with hotels that will redefine what luxury means. Today, companies like Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin offer suborbital flights for tourists wanting to feel zero gravity and see Earth from space. It's just a few minutes of experience, and the price? A fortune. Hundreds of thousands of dollars per person. Space tourism is still exclusive, limited to those who can afford it, but this is just the beginning. Now imagine the next step. Full-fledged hotels in orbit, where you can spend days or even weeks enjoying luxury, comfort, and breathtaking views. These hotels promise private suites, floating spas, gourmet restaurants with views of Earth, and immersive entertainment that will blow your mind. Some companies are already developing projects for this new frontier of hospitality, combining space technology with the sophistication of the world's finest luxury hotels. Beyond luxury, the experience will be unique. Assisted spacewalks, stargazing without light pollution, and even exclusive training so every guest feels like a true astronaut. Personalized concierge services, custom itineraries, and partnerships with famous brands will ensure every detail is unforgettable. But it's not all stars and glamour. Space tourism faces huge challenges like the environmental impact of launches and the growing amount of space debris. That's why companies and governments are investing in technologies to reduce emissions, recycle resources, and keep space clean and safe for everyone. Luxury space tourism is at the cutting edge of innovation, creating jobs, driving research, and redefining what exclusive travel means. Who knows? In a few decades, vacations in space hotels might be the dream of millions. From suborbital rockets to suites with Earth views, Space tourism is about to revolutionize luxury and adventure. Want to learn more about the universe's curiosities and the exciting innovations it holds? Like, share, and follow Deep Curiosity, your passport to the future of discovery.